The final question is, what do you think is the biggest strength of Palawi that we have yet to fully showcase to the rest of the world? Once again, what do you think is the biggest strength of Palawi that we have yet to fully showcase
Isa lang kasi
to the
final
rest
na yan.
of the Philippines?
Yeah,
Thank you for
final
the
na eh.
wonderful question. I do believe that
Macau.
Palawi's biggest strength is the people itself. Because Palawiganos are we are crafted with our tradition and culture and molded with our resilience and polished with our experience despite of the challenges that we face. Just like in our saying, mitatambay pigaw mag-inumay. Because in Palawi, we are one. We work together